In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check mastery in League of Legends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. With the updated mastery systems in League of Legends, you might be curious on how to properly check the mastery points and the progress that you have made for each champion. To do this, all that you have to do is go over to your profile. So click the tab on the top of the screen and you will be able to see all of your champions. In there, just choose any champion that you would like to check the mastery for. So inside of your collection, champions, choose a specific one. When you choose any of the champions displayed there, one of the tabs at the top is going to be mastery. So you will see overview, abilities, mastery, eternals, and skins. When you choose mastery, all of the details will be displayed. So as you can see, you will need mastery points that you can get by just playing featured game modes, ARAM, normal draft, and so on, and these points will be accumulated. Once you reach the necessary amount of points that is displayed, you will gain another level of mastery. There is also the need for you to achieve milestones, so you will see 2 stars displayed right below your level. These are also objectives that you need to complete to be able to get to the next level, and by completing these milestones, not only will you be able to improve your mastery and get the new mastery icons and emotes to use, but you will also get Hextechs, chests, emotes, and other things that you can display in-game. So there are a lot of rewards for you to check. So make sure that you are in mastery points and marks of mastery, and you will be able to improve your grades and levels. Eventually, after you go through all of the rewards, you will be able to level this up indefinitely. So essentially, you can level this up forever, even after you earn all of the rewards. Riot will sometimes give you specific champs and specific marks that you have to acquire, so once you acquire these milestones, you will be able to earn the rewards. These milestones are going to reset when the ranked split ends, so you can do them again even after they go and reset. I hope I was able to help you on how to check mastery points League of Legends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.